Exam Rabbit Score Gallery. The Exam Rabbit Score Gallery serves as proof and testimony of the team's expertise, showcasing their success in solving over 7,000 exams in the past 5 years. This gallery highlights the skills and legitimacy of Exam Rabbit, demonstrating their proven ability to bypass all proctored software securely and consistently deliver A-grade results for your exams. Payment. Team Exam Rabbit never asks for upfront payment from students, as they are 200% confident in their expertise. Unlike scammers, they solve your exam first. Once the exam is completed to your satisfaction, you can make payment through secure methods such as credit cards, debit cards, or other multiple payment options. Bypass method. Team Exam Rabbit takes full responsibility for ensuring the security and privacy of students. They employ 200% safe and secure methods to bypass proctored software, using techniques that are completely undetectable. Unlike inexperienced individuals who rely on risky remote applications and risk detection, Exam Rabbit provides superior expertise in assisting students with their proctored exams using 100% undetectable methods. This is the supremacy of Exam Rabbit's commitment to excellence in bypassing all proctored softwares. Pricing. Exam Rabbit offers the most competitive and affordable pricing tailored for students. With a no upfront payment policy, budget-friendly rates, excellent results, and secure bypass methods, Exam Rabbit has proven itself as the #1 choice for students seeking assistance with their online exams. To get help from exam takers and bypass technicians of Team Exam Rabbit Help, simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or check the description of this video to fill out their exam help request form. You will get assistance within 30 minutes of your contact. Can Lockdown Browser detect phones? Here's what you need to know. As online exams grow more common, students often wonder about the capabilities of tools like respondus Lockdown Browser. A popular question is, can Lockdown Browser detect phones in the room? Let's break it down and explore the technical capabilities of Lockdown Browser when it comes to detecting phones and other devices. Does Lockdown Browser detect phones directly? The short answer is no. Lockdown Browser itself cannot directly detect phones or other devices in the room. Its primary function is to secure the computer or laptop being used for the exam by locking down the screen, blocking access to other applications, preventing task switching and internet browsing. However, when paired with proctoring tools like Respondus Monitor, Lockdown Browser can indirectly flag behaviors that suggest the use of a phone or other external devices. How Lockdown Browser, with proctoring, monitors for phones. 1. Webcam monitoring. If your exam requires a webcam, Lockdown Browser can use Respondus Monitor or a live proctor to watch you during the test. Visible phone usage, for example, glancing down at your phone or holding it up, can be flagged. 2. Microphone audio detection. If you receive a phone call or if your phone makes a noise, the microphone can pick up these sounds and alert the proctoring system. 3. Behavioral cues. Advanced AI proctoring tools analyze your eye movements and head position. Repeatedly looking away from the screen or towards a specific area can trigger suspicion. 4. Environmental scans. Many exams require you to perform an environment scan using your webcam before starting. Proctors may ask you to show your desk, surroundings, and ensure no unauthorized devices like phones are present. Common scenarios where phones may be detected. 1. Visible during the exam. If the phone is visible to the webcam or the proctor during the exam, it can be flagged. 2. Audio clues. Notifications, vibrations, or conversations can be detected via the microphone. 3. Suspicious behavior. Constantly looking off-screen or reaching for something can raise red flags for both AI and live proctors. Can you get away with using a phone? While Lockdown Browser cannot directly detect a phone, using one during a proctored exam is risky. AI monitoring, advanced systems can track unnatural movements and noises. Human proctors, live proctors are trained to spot behaviors that suggest cheating. Post-exam review. Recorded sessions can be reviewed and suspicious activity can result in penalties. Tips to avoid issues during a lockdown browser exam. 1. Remove unauthorized devices. Keep your phone and other electronic devices out of the room to avoid accidental detection. 2. Prepare your environment. Clear your workspace and follow the environment scan instructions to the letter. 3. Stay focused. Keep your eyes on the screen and avoid unnecessary movements or distractions. 4. Follow exam rules. Adhere to your institution's guidelines to ensure a smooth and stress-free experience. Conclusion. Respondus Lockdown Browser cannot directly detect phones, but when combined with tools like Respondus Monitor, it can flag behaviors or environmental factors that suggest unauthorized device usage. If you want to get help with your exam without any issues, it's wise to hire a team of exam rabbit help to take this exam for you, as they have a professional team of experienced exam bypass technicians and genius exam takers. Simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com and pass your exam with an excellent score. There is a zero risk of being caught while using assistance of Exam Rabbit Help, as they are solving multiple exams on daily basis for last 7 years.